Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I thought I'd bring you a fun project that you moms and grandmas can do with the kids while they're at home. Melody and I have created some coloring cards and a little folder, and I'm going to get you going. We're doing this live. Sorry for my headshots in there sometimes and the echo of my kitchen. Okay, Melody and I are going to stamp some Easter coloring book pieces. So I have a couple different papers here. I have some cardstock, and then I have some regular copy paper.
See my hands?
There's Millie's hands. Okay, she's going to be my helper, and I'll open these up. Which one do you like first for me to stamp? The bunny, the chick, the egg. Let's do the egg. Okay, so let's put happy.
Why don't we put some flowers?
Get some flowers in there too?
Right.
Okay, okay. So you want flowers with the egg?
Uh-huh.
Go like that maybe.
And the flowers could be that.
Like the egg? Like that? Okay.
You guys don't have to do it that way.
You are good at this. Okay, so we're going to stamp a couple of these, and how we're going to do it, Mel, look. Let me get these out of the way. Once I shut the door, that grabs the stamps. And now, I'll keep my paper in place, and we're going to ink this up. We're going to use intense black ink because we can use this with watercolors or Copic markers. Any kind of coloring thing we want. Okay, so I got that stamp inked up.
Move it.
Oh, moved everything. Okay, that's pretty. That'll be pretty to color, huh? Yeah, it's really pretty. It turned out nice, huh? These are a good stamp set for that. Okay, let me do a couple more of this one. Did you see how Grandma did her sleeve on that? And Grandma's got ink all over her MISTI, because that's the way I roll. See how I'm patting it all over the... That's sort of a mess. Do you want to press? Okay. Here we go. Got it. Very good. All right, put this up. Shut the door. Okay. Go. Your turn. Get up here. Okay, let's see how we look. Oh, beautiful. Let's do one on a cardstock now.
We got 3 piles now.
Do we? So this goes fast, doesn't it?
See? We got 3 piles.
Oh yeah, we got lammies, eggs, chicks and eggs.
And words.
And words. I'm going to do these real quick. Get a couple of these going on, okay? Got it? Oh, they stick together sometimes. I'll show you how to get them out. You slide them apart. Okay, I'm going to finish this up while Melly tries to see if you go like this. I'm going to show them. If your magnets get stuck, all you got to do is just slide them apart like that, and then you can get them off. That works, huh?
Just put it right here.
Okay. Press it. Good job. All right, we're going to have to color.
This time it's your turn to put it the right
I think
way.
I'm good. I think we have enough to start our little coloring book. Don't you? How many sheets we have? A lot?
Okay. And put them in one pile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so now we have our papers. Which one do you want to start with first?
These.
You want the lammy, the egg,
I want to start with these.
and you want the markers? Well, I thought we could keep them in the jars and then makes it easier. Do you want to start with this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
I
can
think
start
Grandma will
with
do a lammy. Okay, so we've pulled out some pencils, some Copic markers, and over here I have some crayons. So all of our papers we can do all of this with.
even
Okay.
markers.
Yep, I think I set the markers. Okay, I'm going to start a lammy.
And I'm going to start with some eggs.
Okay. Oh, and on your markers, when you look at them, there's a gray stripe. So that's the end that you want. So that one doesn't have that gray stripe. So that's the big broad tip. So you want to open that side because they're two-sided. There you go.
Okay. This egg has a bow, and I'm going to color the bow orange.
Okay. That's a good idea. All right, do you have enough room? So I know Grandma's left-handed, so I get in the way sometimes.
It's fine. I'm right-handed.
Yeah, but I might bump you. I don't want to bump you. I bump people when we eat.
Did you know at nighttime we actually do crafts?
You do at home?
Yeah. On the last one, we could do white, or we can keep going.
Oh, yeah?
That simple color looking amazing.
Oh, yeah. Do I have enough colors for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have too many.
I have too many. I picked out colors that I thought would look like Easter.
That's what I'm looking at.
Okay, so now Melody and I are making folders for our cards. So we're going to score this first one at 5.5 inches. Oh no, at 6 inches. And so I just put it here, and then I used my bone folder and ran it through at 6 inches. Then I turned it to the side, and I scored it at 5.5 inches. So that's a full sheet of paper that we've scored. So then what we did is we cut, yeah, Millie's showing it. It's over here, remember? It's here. So then we cut a little V here so that when this all closes, it'll close flat. So before we get that closed, my little assistant here will hand me the tape, and I'll get some started here.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. And a little here. She's going to do hers after I get done with mine.
I already made a pink one.
Yep, hers is pink.
But mine are already chosen.
There we go. So you saw how I did that, right?
I was actually working and playing my house.
Okay, and then I'm just going to press those down. Now we can take that backing off.
Thank you for getting that started. I could even get started too.
Oh yeah? Now I'm going to press that down. Get that one. And that one. Press that down. And now I can put my coloring cards in here. And I'll hold them safe. So just on that bottom part, right? I guess it doesn't matter. And then you tear it away. I'm going to pull it away. Here you go. Nice. Good job. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as we did making them. This is a great project to do with the kids while they're at home, like I said, and it passes the time, takes your mind off things, and all the supplies are listed in the description box below. And we at Simon Says Stamp wish you to be very well and stay safe during this time. And as always, thanks so much for watching.